Welcome to Etta's Bookshelf. Today, we'll take you on a journey through the Barefoot Investor book by Scott Pape. This book provides simple and practical steps to take control of your finances and build wealth. The first step towards financial freedom is to get out of debt. The Barefoot Investor recommends starting by paying off your smallest debts first, then working your way up to your larger debts. Avoid taking on new debt as much as possible. The Barefoot Investor also emphasizes the importance of creating a solid financial foundation. This includes setting up a bank account system, creating a budget, and investing in low-cost index funds. The book teaches you how to build wealth by investing in the right assets, managing your money wisely, and staying focused on your long-term financial goals. It's important to keep it simple and avoid complicated financial products and strategies. Automating your finances is another key lesson from the Barefoot Investor. Set up automatic payments and transfers to help you stay on track with your budget and financial goals. The Barefoot Investor also teaches you to plan for emergencies. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and protect yourself from financial setbacks. Finally, the Barefoot Investor reminds you to invest in yourself. Prioritize your health and education, which will pay off in the long run in terms of financial and personal success. The Barefoot Investor provides practical advice to help you take control of your finances and build wealth. Remember to focus on the big picture, keep it simple, and make smart financial decisions that will pay off in the long run. Thank you for watching Etta's Bookshelf. Join us next time for more book summaries and recommendations.